Michelle Snyder, local realtor here in Indianapolis, Indiana. And on today's Weekly Minute, I'm talking to sellers. Are you planning to sell your home this year in 2022? If you answered yes to that, I've got some quick tips that's going to help you get your home ready for sale. Number one is, inside your home, do you need any areas painted or refreshed or touched up? You might want to grab a calendar and hammer out a few weekends and get those rooms done now. Number two is, what about your kitchen drawers, cabinets, and closets? Are they overstuffed and overflowing where no one can see what the heck is going on in those closets? Grab a garbage bag, take a few weekends, and start cleaning out those closets and drawers and making donations to local charities. Number three is, with the weather starting to warm up here in Indiana, it would be nice to get outside, and you can do some outside work to your home while you're enjoying the weather. So you want to maybe grab a power washer, rent one if you need it, and actually power wash that front stoop, the sidewalk, and your back porch. And lastly, number four is, you want to make a list of any repairs that you know of that needs to be done in your home, and or things that you're aware of as you're going through your home, getting it ready for sale, that needs to be done. Reach out to a handyman, do it yourself, grab a friend, and start working on that list now. Now, if you're in the Indianapolis area and you need a realtor to help you list your home, or maybe give you some advice on what you need to do to get your home ready for sale, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help. Have a great day.